Hi, welcome to So Darn Fun. This is a channel about clothing alterations, pattern reviews, and sewing how-tos. And today is the first in a series of videos called Quick Practical Tips. Today's tip is how I apply these little pesky jeans buttons. You know, the ones that have the little button cap and the tack. So if you want to see how I put these on, keep watching. Hold the intro! This is a quick practical tip, so let's just get right to it. Here are my jeans ready for the button to be put on. So first I want you to take a look at your pins. I've got two different kinds here. Notice the difference? One is short and one is long. One has a lot of ridges, the other has only one. So if you look at your button and you see that that pin is going to come up through the top, you might want to take a hammer and dullen off that point a little bit once you punch it through the fabric, just so that it won't poke through your button. I am going to use the shorter one with more ridges to put on my black jeans button. I've already got it marked where my button is going to go, so I'm going to push it in from the back, pushing the fabric down. It's pretty tight around that. All right. I'm going to place my button on top of that tack. I can't push hard enough to make it stay on, so the tricky part is to try to keep the tack going straight into that shank. I'm going to grab a piece of wool here just to protect the finish on the button. Turn this all upside down. Give it a couple of firm whacks with the hammer. Let's check it. There we have it. Button is applied. There we go. So if that helped at all, please give me one of these, do one of these, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.